Welcome to the DealNews Seller's Guide. Today we'll discuss Amazon keywords. Are you using them correctly? Amazon sees more than 150 million unique visits in the US alone each month. But if none of them see your Amazon Marketplace product, how will they buy it? Sellers need to know how to effectively use Amazon keywords from the moment they list a product to ensure they reach the intended audience. According to Amazon experts and sellers, understanding and utilizing keywords is one of the most important aspects of successful selling. Here, we'll discuss how you can use Amazon keywords more strategically. First things first, Amazon keywords are not Google keywords. When it comes to search engine optimization, or SEO, sellers often wonder whether they should focus more on Amazon or Google. Tyler Young of Allied Products Corporation told DealNews, "I would contend that SEO for a brand's Amazon listing matters as much as their Google SEO efforts. In fact, experts say that Amazon keywords are even more important than Google keywords when it comes to making sales." According to a JumpShot report, about 54% of product searches start on Amazon. Some estimates even contend that 3 times as many buyers search for products on Amazon rather than on Google. People go to Google and Bing to search how to do something, while people go to Amazon to search for something to buy, says Greg Mercer, founder and CEO of Jungle Scout. Finding effective keywords can help Amazon sellers with product research, validating a product idea, and creating and maintaining a competitive product listing on Amazon, Mercer adds. So, how do you get started with Amazon keywords? According to the JumpShot report, almost 90% of all product views on Amazon come from Amazon's product search, not from merchandising, ads, or product aggregators. Ranking high in search is important, as more than 2/3 of all product clicks come from the first page of Amazon search results. 1/3 of clicks comes from just the first 2 rows. The good news is that it's easier to rank for keywords on Amazon than on Google, says Karen Thaxton of Marketing Words on the Startup Bros blog. Amazon's A9 algorithm remains a mystery in many ways, but it's influenced by factors such as keyword relevancy, customer satisfaction, and conversion rate. Let's take a minute to go over keyword and formatting considerations for different elements of a product listing. First, look at your listing as a whole. For the most effective use of keywords on a page, don't repeat them in your listing. This includes the title, bullet points, and description. Experts say it's best to use a variation of keywords without keyword stuffing, which is the practice of unnaturally packing your listing with as many keywords as possible. A keyword-stuffed listing looks messy and strange, leading shoppers to not click on the item and ultimately hurting your ranking. Accurate keywords also reduce bouncing on your listing. Bouncing happens when shoppers go to your page but leave shortly thereafter. Amazon will put the listing lower in search results if too many people are coming to the page and then immediately bouncing, as if it's not relevant or not what they'd hoped to find. Secondly, you should review your title. Amazon offers formulas for titles, which generally have a limit of 200 characters, including spaces. It divides these formulas by category. For example, the small appliance formula is brand, plus model number, plus model name, plus product type, and then color. Next, consider your bulleted items. Amazon advises putting the most important info about a product in the bullet points, as some customers may not scroll down very far on the page. Typically, you want to use the first bullet to give an overall synopsis of your product. Arrange subsequent bullets according to importance and relevance to the customer. You may want to list the materials your product is made from, or mention included accessories. Amazon offers examples based on product category, so definitely check those out. Finally, consider the keywords in your product description. The product description should be concise, accurate, and informative, and, at most, 2,000 characters. Of the 90% of shoppers who report abandoning their carts, 30% gave poor product descriptions as a reason for doing so, according to a product information report from Shot Farm. If you're not sure how to begin, check out the free templates offered by Amazon Seller Central, Splitly, and Jungle Scout. When choosing keywords, consider the customer and the competition. Keywords affect who finds your listing through Amazon search. Keywords also play a part in your conversion rate and customer satisfaction, as these can influence Amazon's A9 algorithm. If your listing isn't accurate, or if the Amazon keywords aren't relevant, Visitors will leave the page without buying anything. This, of course, affects your conversion rate. Want to calculate your conversion rate on Amazon? In the Business Reports section, find the total order items and divide it by sessions. Note that other factors can affect your conversion rate, such as product images and price. Amazon SEO is also impacted by customer reviews. If misleading or inaccurate keywords lead shoppers to buy a product that doesn't meet their expectations, you can expect negative feedback. Amazon consultant Asad Shah told DealNews, "You need to understand what customers are happy about, what they're upset about, and what's working for other sellers in that space. You do this by looking at the top 3 to 5 listings for the main keywords you'd like to rank for and then looking at some of the lower converting listings in the same space." He adds, "Make a list of the patterns you recognize across the top performers and the lower tier performers. Look at the pictures being used and how they're positioned in the image carousel, and pay attention to the titles, bullets, and descriptions. Emulate the winning formulas, and ensure you aren't using elements of the losing formulas." At this time, we'd like to address Amazon backend keywords. First off, backend keywords don't hold as much weight as keywords on the product page. Thaxton's post recommends saving the backend for additional phrases that aren't quite as vital to your product listing. Use the 250 character count wisely by choosing only relevant words that aren't repeated. Don't use filler words such as for or by, and simply divide words with a space. You should also avoid temporary words like new or on sale, as well as subjective words such as best or good quality. Amazon takes into account plural words, punctuation, capitalization, and space variations, as well as misspellings, so there's no need to include these in the backend keywords. For backend SEO keyword ideas, AMZ Data Studio recommends choosing 10 competitors, then using the backend keyword extractor and the listing builder to add these keywords to your listing. We hope you're enjoying this edition of the DealNews Seller's Guide. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new one, and don't forget to check out all our seller advice at dealnews.com/features/marketplace. Now let's get back to the guide. Backing up a bit, let's talk about how you should do Amazon keyword research. First off, you want to do your research before and after picking a product. Some Amazon Marketplace sellers are only looking for optimal keywords to sell a specific product, while others just use keywords to find market niches. A new seller should be constantly learning and making changes, Amazon Marketplace seller Rohan Smith told DealNews. He goes on to say, "My experiences on Amazon improved once I created a daily routine that entailed learning something new or improving the business. Even spending just 5 to 15 minutes a day to watch a YouTube video, track my daily sales trends, revamp my keywords, or scan competitors helps me become a better seller." Not all keywords are created equal. Have you heard about long-tail keywords? Long-tail keywords are longer and more specific keyword phrases that visitors are more likely to use when they're closer to a point of purchase or when they're using voice search. Mercer says, long-tail keywords for cutting board, for example, can be cutting boards for kitchen or wood cutting board. You don't have to do all this research alone, though. Amazon keyword tools are widely available and many are free. According to AMZ Finder, the 6 best free Amazon keyword tools are Amazon Autosuggest, Keyword Tool, Google Keyword Planner, Sonar, Scientific Seller, and Keyword Tool Dominator. Let's take a brief look at each of these. First up, Amazon Autosuggest. To use Amazon Autosuggest, you simply start typing the most relevant keyword in the search box, and the most popular Amazon searches will populate the autofill. You can make this even more effective by adding the Keywords Everywhere Chrome or Firefox extension that shows search volume, CPC statistics, and competition data. While it's fast and easy, you can't query a large number of keywords with Amazon Autosuggest. Secondly, we've got the enigmatically named Keyword Tool. The free version of Keyword Tool also uses Amazon Autocomplete, but doesn't limit search quantities. It also has data that can be exported to Excel and a function to exclude up to 5 unwanted keywords. Third, there's Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is free, but you need a Google Ads account to sign in. Keep in mind that it's aimed at Google advertisements, not Amazon. However, it can be helpful for coming up with keyword ideas if you're feeling stumped. Next up, there's Sonar. Sonar is from Celix, an all-in-one Amazon software company. This popular and easy-to-use free Amazon keyword tool ranks the search volume of the keywords pulled from Amazon search queries. The reverse ASIN tool looks up the keywords in competitors' Amazon listings. Then you've got Scientific Seller. According to Scientific Seller, most Amazon keyword tools are quick and effective. Ours is slow. We usually run it overnight or even longer. How is this a benefit? Scientific Seller searches beyond the keyword to find related and unique Amazon buyer keywords. That said, many of these extra keywords can be less relevant. The free version allows for 5 searches per day. Finally, there's Keyword Tool Dominator. Keyword Tool Dominator is a paid keyword tool with a free search feature that allows for 3 searches a day. It ranks keywords from 1 to 10 and allows for downloads of selected keywords. Looking to upgrade your research? Paid Amazon keyword tools offer more in-depth research, downloads, and no limits on the searches. For example, Helium 10 boasts 4 different keyword research tools. You get Cerebro for seeing keywords that competitors rank for, Keyword Tracker for tracking product rankings, Magnet for finding high volume and relevant keywords, and Misspellinator for extracting misspelled keywords. A free plan is also available in case you want to test out the different tools. Jungle Scout is another paid Amazon seller toolkit. Jungle Scout offers Keyword Scout, an Amazon keyword research tool. Keyword Scout uses Amazon data to find relevant keywords and doesn't rely on autofill alone. A simple search for bamboo sticks might turn up phrases mostly for marshmallow sticks, for example. But Keyword Scout turns up 1,244 results with potentially related words, such as s'mores and fire pit accessories. Finally, you should consider Merchant Words. This tool collects search words from Amazon with a database of 1.6 billion search phrases and offers reverse ASIN search. The keyword rankings allow for listing optimization, and the Merchant Words Listing Advisor service matches users with an Amazon SEO expert to optimize the listing. Today we'll wrap up with a few words on keywords and PPC campaigns. Paid services will often assist you with long-tail keywords and incorporate cost-per-click costs associated with Amazon PPC, pay-per-click, campaigns. According to Mercer of Jungle Scout, you can sell more products under the PPC campaigns using less competitive long-tail keywords that you can easily rank for and get more sales from, as opposed to trying to compete against, say, the main keyword on page 1 on Amazon. Rob Shad, Next Level AMZ co-founder, also talked about keywords and PPC campaigns in an interview with DealNews. To drive traffic to a new listing, I created a couple of different sponsored PPC campaigns. I do an automatic campaign, where Amazon decides on the keyword bids for me. Then 2 manual campaigns with keywords I used in my listings and long-tail search terms I found with my research. I bid very aggressively to win clicks, he added. Then, after about 7 days, I look at all the data to optimize it. I never expect my ads to run profitably at first. My main goal is to uncover as much data as possible. Amazon seller Aaron Mitchell Moreno spoke about long-tail keywords as well, saying, "New sellers should focus on finding new, long-tail keywords to advertise that competitors aren't already bidding on." He added, "If your ROI starts changing, analyze carefully. Sometimes CPC costs increase because the competition has also increased, which can cause the seller to spend more for the same or fewer sales. Alternatively, sometimes the CPC cost doesn't increase, but your ROI drops because some previously inactive keywords might now be getting impressions and taking up spend that your winning keywords would have used." That's all for this edition of the DealNews Seller's Guide. If you like what you heard, be sure to subscribe so you'll never miss a new one. If you want to learn how you can turbocharge your Amazon Marketplace revenue and gain access to the exclusive DealNews Amazon Traffic Network, head to marketplace.dealnews.com or send an email to getstarted@dealnews.com. Thanks for listening.